Let's see how to download and install the Python in computer. Go to Chrome, type Python download. Go to the website, Python, click H keyboard, navigate to download button to enter. I'm already download this file, so I will go to the file manager. Go to the download, enter the Python file. Show the dialog result, setup result. So, to check the extra path of that, go to click the install now tab. This is take few minutes.
83%, 93%. Unavailable. Close button. Alt C. NVDAT Python
After result
3.13.7
is complete,
64
they
bit setup.
successfully create the install Python.
Python 3.13.7 64 bit setup. Down arrow. Up arrow. Enter. Lost update today. Python what's new
To
in Python
check zoom the
3.13.7
text,
64 bit setup.
you
Windows
can see
Python 3.1 setup was successful.
successfully create
Windows. Enter. Tab.
install
Close
the
button. Alt C. Downloads. File search
Python
C
in
and
your
D.
system.
Terminal. Command P.
After
Y. T. H. O. N. Python
open
space dash.
CMD,
Dash.
type the
P.
Python
E. R.
space
S. I.
hyphen
O. N.
hyphen version
Enter. Python
to
3.13.7 C.
enter
Users
this
again.